Barda update and IG story ni Barbie. Nag-food trip pa nga si Barbie sa taping ng Beauty Empire. Sabi ni Barbie, ang sweet niya naman, Mitch Prince, Sugar High, Bakery PH, love you both. Dami naman nito, may energy ulit mag-take. Basta pagkain si Barbie. Tapos ito pa nga, another food trip. Bumili pa nga si Barbie, sabi. Post na, thank you Miss Barbie Fortes sa pag-sold out ng paninda kong Butcheron. 15 pieces sold out. Grabe nga yun. Saka ito pa sa post ng GMA Network na nilabas na nga official teaser ng Penthouse 77 at ipapalabas na yan sa July 30 sa mga sinihan. Yun malapit na. Saka ito pa yung mga picture ni Barbie for stylish cover magazine ni Barbie. Ang ganda ni Barbie. Anghel na Barbie, si Barbie Fortes. Sa ito po, post ng 99 Basic and during TikTok live ni Barbie. So sana live selling pa nga Barbie ng 99 Basics collagen. Ang daming bumili niyan Siyempre si Barbie. Galing mag-sales stock ni Barbie dyan. Ayan, for 99 Basic na endorsement ni Barbie. So ito pa, post ng Universal Record Philippines. Sabi dito, Barbie, ikaw nang talaga ang nakikita ni David. Grabe. Ito na ba yung pahiwatig ng music video ng I Think I Love You ni David Licauco. Yan sana. Sa ito pa yung picture nila Barbie saka David. Pumasok sila ng bahay ni Kuya sa PBB. Saka ito, post ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center. And during
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat and welcome to the exciting and momentous occasion, the official contract signing of our newest Gluta-Lipo endorser here at Red Apple Manila Studio.
I first learned about the brand, I think 5 years ago, as I was driving along at nakita ng billboard, we still there. Tapos, somehow na-interest ako dun sa brand name, diba? Itong Gluta-Lipo, it's very catchy.
Gluta-Lipo started with a mission to empower people to take control of their wellness journey through safe, accessible, powdered detox beverage solution that works.
Means a lot to us kasi until now, there are still users of the product na hindi namin akala na very loyal sila. Maybe because talaga namang they find it very effective.
Thank you for joining us today, making this event truly memorable. Maraming salamat everyone, and we look forward to an exciting journey ahead with Gluta-Lipo and David Licauco.
Gluta-Lipo with David Licauco. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Antium Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.